Hello, welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. We're just about to go underneath the ramp where above us is a V8 Vantage S 2011. This question is a common problem, common question. The question arises from when we're doing other work on the car or at routine service, and we notice that the feed and supply pipes from the ASM reservoir to pump are perished and they need replacing. So these are the pipes I'm talking about. Here's the reservoir, this is the feed pipe to the pump, and then the return pipe, both operating under low pressure. And if you see the cracking or perishing that that pipe exhibits, and at the top joint there, and starting to a lesser extent some witness marks of age deterioration there, that's the sort of problem that we're talking about. So what happens if those pipes split is it will leak all its ASM fluid onto the floor, the pump will run, there'll be no gear system, and the car will be disabled. So the question is, well, okay, you're telling me the pipes are badly deteriorated, but I've not been told at prior service that this is a problem. The problem there is your typical dealer specification service where the under trays do not get removed, because here is where the metal under tray would fit. Now if that's not removed at service, it means that it's very difficult to examine these components for wear, if they examine components for wear anyway. So with a very good service regime, this problem should be detected and avoid a breakdown. We're doing a wheel bearing on this car, and in the process of doing that wheel bearing we've uncovered that the pipes are at point of fracture. So fortunately we've picked this up before it turns into a breakdown. But yeah, if in doubt, ask your service agent the condition of your pipes to avoid a breakdown.